So guys, welcome to this video on argument and parameters in function. So from our last code we had this. Now let's clean this up. So I will just take out this and leave two lines so that the function is a bit smaller. Okay, so now here is a function that says hello x, you are welcome, you are y years old. Now what if we want to pass information to this? Okay, so what happens is, imagine we have the following. So let's create an array of name. So this is my name and age is an integer. Okay, so we have an array of name and int age. What if we want to pass these values to this function? Let's try it out. So we'll change this to format specifier for string, that is for name. Then we want to have name here, and this for age, so this is for number D, and we want to have age here. Good. Let's run this and see if it works. Now you can see the problem. The issue we are having now is this function cannot see these variables inside here. So this is something you need to know. In function, there's what we call function scope. Okay, so a function cannot see the variables inside of another function. So the only way you can be able to access variables through functions is either you declare them globally, or you use them as arguments and parameters. And how do we do that? So for this function to be able to see what is inside here, we have to set the parameters here. So we set the first parameter, which is going to be name. So we are saying this function is going to collect name and it's also going to collect age. All right, but it's still not going to work because we've not done the second part. So the ones you put inside of the function itself is called parameter. So this function is going to accept two parameters. The first one is name, the second one is age. Then the one you pass to the function is what we call arguments. So now that we've declared it here, we can then pass them to the function. And how do you do that? You just say name and age. So if we save this and rerun this, let's see what we get on the output. Oh, sorry. And now you see the function works. Hello, precious cereal, you're welcome. You are 100 years old. Also, you don't need to declare the variables initially. So if I comment this out, I can pass the figures that I want directly. So I could pass my name here directly. I would say precious, and age is going to be 50. So save and let's run this. And as you can see, it still works. So guys, this is it on function, argument, and parameters. So when you create a function, you can also pass your argument, your parameters, and your argument, and this is how you pass them. All right, so guys, I'll see you in the next video.